children, hello buddies, how are you all? I'm glad to see you again. See, in this session we are going to see about what? Singular and plural. That is, it consists of three types. Yes, so we are going to learn about that. Already in the last session we learned about what is singular, what is plural, right? We are going to learn in this session what? That is types. Yes, we are having singular, plural types. So we are going to learn about that. Yes, let us learn that. Yes, see here, what is singular, what is plural first. See, let us recall first, right? So what is singular? See, singular, that is single, right? So it consists of only one, whether it may be a person, place, that is animal, bird or a thing. So whatever it is, it consists only one. See, I am having chalk in my hand, right? See, I am having only one chalk, right? So it is a singular, single chalk piece. So I am having single chalk piece. So it is a singular, right? See, and I am having now three chalk pieces. See, three colors, that is three colors of chalk piece I am having, that is in my hand. So it is named as what? That is, it will comes under what? That is plural form, right? So only one means it will comes in the singular form, and more than one means it will comes in the plural form, right? So this is the difference between singular and plural. Yes, so only one refers to, that is whatever it may be, means it will comes in the singular form, right? See, if it is more than one, whatever it may be, it will comes in the plural form. So this is the singular and plural. It consists of what? That is three types. Yes, three format. It having, that is three format. So we are going to study about that, right? So let us see one by one. See, three types. What are the types? See here. Yes, that is adding yes, one type, and adding es, another type, and adding ies. Yes, that is the third type. So it consists of three types. Yes, just adding these letters at the last of the word, right? So only these three types are included in singular and plural. Let us see one by one, right? See, first type one. See, I have given some words, right? So it is, see, these words are all singular. Yes, because it consists only, it refers to only one. Yes, whatever it may be, right? See, apple, girl. See, I have given apple, girl in first type. What is the first type? Look at there. So yes. See, yes is the first type. So adding yes. Adding yes is the first type, right? So whatever it may be the word, yes. So we should add yes at the last of the word, right? So let us convert into, that is plural form. See, apple. See, apple means what? Only one apple. Yes, only one apple. Single apple is here. So just it is an apple. So we should add yes here. Because why? Because see, because plural form. It is a plural form, and more than one. It is named as what? Apples. Many apple. So it is named as what? How we should pronounce it as? See, we should pronounce it as apples, right? By adding yes, it will include a plural form. Yes, so it is in now plural form. Yes, we converted that into plural form. Next, come to the next word, girl. So it is the girl is in singular form because only one girl is here, right? So we should convert it into plural form. Many girl. That is many girls. Yes. So single girl we are converting into many girl. That is girls. So girl is converted into girls by adding yes. So first type is by adding yes. Next, coming to the second type. See, what is the second type? Look at there. What is the second type? Es. So by adding what? Es. Es to the word, that is at the end of the word. See, I have given some words here. See, bus, dress, dish, bench. See, in these words also, see, there are many varieties. See the words, that is the spelling may vary, the rules may vary. See, it is ended in single s, and here see, it ended in double s. Here see, it ended in sh, that is ish sound. Yes, see, and it is ended in ch. See, anyhow, we are going to add just es to the word. That's it, right? But the spelling may vary, the rules may vary, right? But we are going to add word, just es to the word. See, let us convert into a plural form. So, bus. So, what we should do here? Just we should add what? Es to the word. So, just I am adding es to the word. But here already one s is here, right? See, dress. Next word is dress. See, look at here. Look at this word. Here, double s is here. Okay, whatever it is, we should add just es to the word. So, dresses. Next, dish. Dish. See, it is ended. It is ended in what? Yes, catch. Ish sound. See here. Yes, catch. Anyhow, we are going to add es to the word. Just dishes. Yes. Next, bench. See, bench is ended in what? B-E-N-C-H. Is ended in C-H. So we are going to add what? Es to the word. So benches, right? So buses, dresses, dishes, benches. So now we are converting into the plural form. Yes, we are converted. Yes, we are converted into plural form. Now it is in plural form. Yes. Well, coming to the third type. See here, what is the third type? That is by adding IES. See, adding IES to the word. That is the third type, right? See, third type. Baby, knife, man, story. I have given some words here. See, baby, knife, man, story. Yes. See, we are going to convert it into what? Plural form. See here, baby is converted into babies. See, y is here, no? We should remove this. See, we should remove this, and instead of y, we should add what? We should apply the third type, that is IES. So now babies. So more than one. So there are many babies, right? Here only single baby is here. So we are converting into it what? That is plural form. So more than one baby is here. So babies. That is many baby, right? So many babies are there. Now knife. See, knife. See, we should remove this F-E. F-E. See, let me write here, see. See, instead of F-E, we should write it as what? V-E-S. So this is another one type. So I-E-S, V-E-S. Yes? So according to the word, the rules may vary, the spelling may vary, right? See, F-E. So instead of F-E, see, I have written that V-E-S. See, and in some situation, totally the entire word may vary, right? See here, man. See, what is the plural form of man? Men. So, totally the word may vary. So, see, men is the plural form of man. Similarly, woman. See, what is the plural form of woman? Women. So, women is the plural form of woman, right? Yes, see, some of you think that both are same. Yes, that is totally wrong. Actually, it is wrong. Yes, so the plural form of woman is women, right? And the man, see, the plural form of man is men, right? And we're coming to the story. See here also, y is there. We should take this y, that is remove this y, and instead of y, we should add what? See, instead of y, see, I am adding what? I-E-S. Stories. So many story presenting there. So stories. Here only one story. It is in singular form. So while we converting it into a plural form, see, it is converted into what? That is many story, more than one. So the spelling may vary. The spelling will change. So stories. Yes. So these are all the singular and plural form, right? So here singular means children. Let us recall that singular means only one, whether it may be a person, place, animal, bird or a thing. Yes, only one. It refers always only one. and we're talking about the plural form, more than one. So whatever it may be, right? So whether it may be a person, place, animal, bird or a thing. So whatever it may be, it consists of, that is, it refers to always more than one, right? So this is the difference between both singular and plural, right? So it consists of three types. Yes, the first type is what? Adding yes to the word. So whatever it may be the word, right? And second type is what? Adding es to the word, right? See, in the second type, the spelling may vary, the rules may vary. See here. So whatever it may be the word, whether it ended in S or double S or SH or CH, yes, we should add simply ES to the word, right? That is the second type. And third type, see, in third type there are many rules. See here. See, if ended in Y means we should remove that Y, and instead of Y, we should write it as what? IES. Yes, see, it is given in the third rule, third type. So we should apply that type in the, that is instead of Y. See, if it is ended in FE means we should remove that FE and we should add what? See here, we should add VES. Yes, and similarly, see, I told you that in some situation the word may totally, that is entire word may change while converting it into a plural form, right? See, so man is converting it into what? Men. Yes, similarly women also women, right? Then story, I told you already, we should take that, that is we should remove that Y, instead of Y we should apply IES to the word, right? So these are all the singular and plural, that is conversion of singular into plural, right? So we learned about the three types in singular and plural. Children, I hope you all understood. Yes, have you all got it? Just go through it, children. Thank you.